So hey guys, welcome back. So I'm trying to be consistent in this whole vlogging thing. So yeah, so today I'm just at home, and then later the day I'll be going to festival called Rakhi. So I'm going to be going to a friend's place and tying Rakhi to my little brother, and I'll be showing you my day, how it goes, and it's just a simple day. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be cleaning all this desk area of mine. I want to set up my laptop here. I'm going to start editing my videos on my laptop. I've got this old hard disk of mine which I used to use back when I was YouTubing consistently in 2017. So I'm going to get everything cleaned and start editing. Let's get started. So there's a slight change in the plan. I have to go get some vegetables from this market. I'll take you along. चलो चलते हैं. So fun fact, we are not eating बैंगन today because बैंगन की दुकान बंद है. So let's see what's for lunch or dinner. We're gonna get started with all the work, cleaning everything, and I'll take you through me editing on a laptop for the first time. And fun fact, I edited all my YouTube videos on this phone. Actually on whatever phones I had since I YouTubed, which was this is probably my second phone. And yeah, it's nothing better. So let's get into something new. चलो शुरू करते हैं. So let's get started. So what I've thought is I'm gonna get my guitar off that and probably just shift books from here there, put an extension box on my laptop charger, and yeah. This is number one. I have named this guy Chomper. He's just some inspiration from Pinterest and Google. Then this one, which is not anywhere, it's not out yet. This is a painting. I took it from a bunch of paintings on Google. Like I mixed quite a bit of them, and then this, and then this one. I named it Chimeli because she just looks. So I don't know, just put the name up. I just made the name up. And that's the combination of Shiva and Parvati. This is just some weird thing. It's supposed to look like a really artistic thing. It doesn't. And another Pinterest inspiration. And this is just my no, this is like a mixture of my imagination, what I thought, but it really didn't work out except the stars and the moon. The rest just looks weird. This was my first ever painting or whatever. I used like the whole bottle of yellow paint just on this half sunflower, which looks like a sunflower. I don't know, it just looks so weird right now. Another imagination which just is ugly. And yeah, that, and last that. For those who don't know what this looks like, it's a flamingo and its leg is not broken, it's walking, and that's why the legs look like that. So you can notice, clean the whole table. There's nothing on the table, but there is a lot here and down there. So like obviously the laptop bag, it's not going to be here. A bunch of books I've read already, and yeah, stationery, my painting stuff. Yeah, it's kind of good for now. So let's set up. This is the edit I'm going to be using, and yeah, it said it's really good for beginners, but these things don't look anything like easy, but chalo shuru karte hain. So guys, I'm all ready for Rakhi. So yeah, we're going to be going to a friend's place, and we're just the same group. We're just tiny group of people. We're going to be tying Rakhi and we're coming back home. Don't worry. Homemade chocolates for Rakhi. लैपटॉप पे एडिटिंग तो हुई नहीं गाइस, सब फोन पे ही हो गया. दिस प्रोग्राम वाज क्वाइट हार्ड for me to understand in one day and edit. This is the one I'm using. It's called VideoPad NCH whatever plus. So yeah, let's get into this in the next video. मास्क पहन लिया, चॉकलेट ले ली, चाबी ले लिया, घर की लाइट बंद करते हैं because we have to save electricity and then let's go. Bye. Hello friends, chocolate खा लो. Hi guys, we have reached and now we're going to be doing the whole
अच्छे से लोग शेयर वो अक्षर बनाना पड़ता है बस हो गया
गुजरात में जलेबी का क्रेज है.
ये कचौरी कौन चोर ये हमारी आंटी नंबर 1 आंटी नंबर 2 और ये आंटी नंबर 3 आंटी नंबर 3 दैट इज नॉट आंटी.
यहाँ पे मैं और मंसी फाइनल
अरे हमारा भाई काकी दिखा. So guys, as you can see, the video is on upload. So let's see how long it takes us to hit 24% for now. Now अभी तो कुछ होना है नहीं. I'm just gonna be reading a book, watching all the series and all the episodes I missed. And like the video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment below, and let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I'll be trying my best to vlog more. But like, if you have any suggestions on what I should be vlogging or what I should be doing, you can surely tell me in the comment section. And keep watching. Bye bye.
These guys have a different light. Why noise?